Productivity is the cornerstone of achieving success and fulfillment in both personal and professional life. Yet, many people struggle with it, finding themselves easily distracted, overwhelmed, or simply unable to make the most of their time. If you often wonder why you're not as productive as you'd like to be, you're not alone. Here's a look at some common reasons for low productivity and strategies to overcome them. One of the primary reasons people aren't productive is because they don't have clear, well-defined goals. Without a specific target, it's easy to feel lost or unsure of where to focus your energy. How to fix it? Set SMART goals: specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. Breaking down big tasks into smaller, manageable steps can help create a clear roadmap for what you want to achieve. Write down your goals and review them regularly to stay on track. Time is a finite resource, and how you manage it greatly affects your productivity. Poor time management can lead to procrastination, missed deadlines, and the constant feeling of being busy but not productive. How to fix it? Use time management techniques like the Pomodoro Technique, time blocking, or the Eisenhower Matrix to prioritize tasks based on urgency and importance. Create a daily schedule that allocates specific time slots for different tasks and stick to it. In today's digital age, distractions are everywhere, from social media notifications to unnecessary meetings. Multitasking, while seemingly efficient, often leads to divided attention and lower quality work. How to fix it? Minimize distractions by creating a dedicated workspace, turning off non-essential notifications, and setting boundaries with others. Focus on one task at a time to improve the quality of your work and finish tasks more quickly. It's hard to be productive when you're not motivated or don't see the purpose in what you're doing. Without a strong why behind your actions, it's easy to lose focus and interest. Identify what drives you and align your tasks with your passions and long-term goals. Sometimes, finding motivation requires reconnecting with your purpose. Reflect on why each task matters and how it contributes to your bigger picture. Burnout and fatigue. Chronic stress and overwork can lead to burnout, a state of emotional, physical, and mental exhaustion. When you're burned out, even simple tasks can feel insurmountable. How to fix it? Prioritize self-care by ensuring you get enough sleep, exercise, and time to relax. Take regular breaks throughout your day to recharge, and don't be afraid to ask for help or delegate tasks when necessary. Remember, productivity is about quality, not just quantity. Inefficient systems and processes. Sometimes a lack of productivity stems from inefficient systems or processes. Using outdated methods, unclear workflows, or ineffective tools can waste time and energy. How to fix it? Evaluate your current systems and identify areas for improvement. Invest in tools and software that streamline your workflow, and continuously look for ways to automate repetitive tasks. Regularly review and optimize your processes to ensure they are as efficient as possible. Fear of failure or perfectionism. Fear of failure can paralyze you, preventing you from starting or completing tasks. Similarly, perfectionism can lead to excessive time spent on details that may not matter in the long run. How to fix it? Accept that mistakes are a natural part of the learning process and that perfection is often an unrealistic goal. Focus on progress over perfection and aim to do your best rather than trying to be flawless. Set realistic expectations and recognize that sometimes good enough is all you need to move forward. Improving productivity requires self-awareness, intentional action, and sometimes a willingness to change your habits and mindset. By addressing these common productivity pitfalls and implementing practical solutions, you can enhance your efficiency, achieve your goals, and ultimately lead a more fulfilling life. Remember, productivity isn't about doing more. It's about doing what matters most, efficiently and effectively.